Hello everyone, this is Easy from UE's Energy channel. Today I will introduce our EV 12 volts series to you. We have three different models: 100 ampere-hour, 200 ampere-hour, and 300 ampere-hour. They are all Lifepo4 batteries. All batteries have BMS built in, and you can see all the data through Bluetooth application. Series collection and parallel collection are supported. If you have any needs about home electric application, AVs and building some small solar system, they are good choice. All batteries have more than 6,000 cycle times and 5 years warranty. If you want to know more about this battery, please feel free to contact us. See you next time. Goodbye.